You went out with her ages, didn't you? I know.
I'm not with her anymore. But she's talking that thing. I think that's going to be a new this book.
It is going to be Jodie.
It's advertising it up on that screen.
Seems like it's Jodie.
Are
Are you alright? It seems like it's Jodie. Why have you just banged it on? I didn't bang your leg on because you were looking at them. It doesn't hurt for that much. Oh yeah, they were. Yeah, we're talking to her the other day. Yeah, we're talking to her the other day. Yeah.
You got this, Jack?
Yeah, I have. I absolutely have.
You've got it, and Jordan's got it.
Absolutely.
You've got it, and Jordan's got it.
Absolutely. Yes. What? Who? I know, they were talking about him a lot. I know they were. I know.